When I think about a piece of furniture that truly knew what it wanted to be, I will forever think of this dresser. It led me down a path that had a lot of challenges. But with those challenges came quite a bit of change. And as it metamorphosized itself into this beautiful piece, we learned a lot and we were able to give it a proper update that it deserved. So join along and see how we transformed this super dull, basic IKEA cabinet into something we are so proud of. Okay, friends, it is day 3. It probably could have been done yesterday. However, this crack that I was trying to fill, the Dixie Mud did an okay job, I will state that, but not as well as I would have liked. So I decided to put Bondo on it and let that dry overnight. I will tell you, use Bondo outside. It stinks. It's super toxic. It's just really stinky. So hence why I'm wearing a mask now, because I'm going to sand it and I don't want to get, 1, the particles into my lungs, and 2, just in case there's any of that residual smell. So let's see how that goes. Okay, well, we are on coat number 2, and honestly, this is just not working. It's not leveling out like I would hope, and so honestly, my only option is to get a board that covers it. All right, we are back at it. So, as you saw before, the top did not go as planned. The Bondo is just not leveling out to a degree that looks cohesive with the rest of the piece, so we're scrapping that in general, and I went and got a piece of pine at Home Depot. They cut it to size perfectly, so it fits the tabletop, and actually I'm not upset about it at all. I really initially wanted to strip this down if I could and have a more natural look, but because the veneer is super thin, I just can't. I was gonna blow through it, so I was like, well, I'll just paint it and that'll be fine, but you know, as we can see, that did not work. It also goes to show you that projects don't always go as they are supposed to, and in the end, it might actually turn out a lot better than you anticipated, so it's all right.